Hey guys, welcome back to another solopreneur finance tutorial. So in this video, we're gonna discover the ultimate showdown between Payoneer and PayPal. I'm gonna break down the key differences so you can choose the best platform for your financial needs. Let's get started. Step 1. We have account setup. Both Payoneer and PayPal offer quick online signups. PayPal is super simple, just an email and a few details. On the other hand, Payoneer is also easy, but it's geared more towards freelancers and global business payments. So step number 2, transaction fees and exchange rates. PayPal charges higher fees, especially for currency conversions and international transfers. Payoneer usually offers lower transaction fees and better exchange rates, ideal if you're getting paid globally. Step number 3, withdrawal options. For withdrawals, PayPal connects easily to local bank accounts, but can take a few days. Payoneer also supports local withdrawals and even offers a prepaid MasterCard for quicker access to funds. Step number 4, customer support and security. In terms of support, both offer solid security features and fraud protection. Payoneer provides more specialized support for business users, while PayPal has a larger help center and user community. So which one should you use? If you're focused on personal payments or online shopping, go with PayPal. If you're a freelancer or business getting paid internationally, Payoneer might save you more in the long run. Choose based on how and where you receive money, and make the most of your transfers. So let me know in the comment section below which one will you choose. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.